Well, children 5 to 11 are now one step closer to being eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine.
Today, Pfizer officially asked the FDA for emergency use authorization. Jade Cunningham explains what that means for your child.
Big news came Thursday that Dr. Mark Kline says many have waited for.
It's exciting for me as a pediatrician because we're seeing way too many children come down with this infection. Some of them have ended up in our ICU on mechanical ventilation.
Kline works with LSU Health Pediatrics and is the physician-in-chief at Children's Hospital. He says the latest surge kept their beds full of kids fighting through this deadly virus.
We've had more than 90 children hospitalized here at Children's Hospital New Orleans just since July 1st. More than half of those in the intensive care unit, and well over half of those children under the age of 12. So we need this vaccine, and I want to see it rolled out as quickly as possible.
Pfizer's emergency use authorization request is a thorough multi-step process that could result in approval for the first COVID-19 vaccine for those 5 to 11. Kline says that begins October 26th, when an FDA advisory committee looks at all data collected.
Then the decision is passed to the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices of the CDC and the Centers for Disease Control, and specifically the director of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention will weigh in and will say, yes, the vaccine has full approval, or no, it doesn't.
The process is swift, but Kline says safety is paramount and multiple people are looking at every detail in Pfizer's reporting. And if all goes well, kids could get shots starting in November.
And so to finally have the opportunity to offer a vaccine to children 5 years of age and older will be tremendous. It will mean that a lot of kids who are in school will not just be sitting ducks for this virus, but will gain some protection, and we can keep them from getting sick.
For Kline, getting kids immunized against COVID-19 is a big deal and is something he says is another positive step forward in getting this pandemic behind us. Jay Cunningham, Eyewitness News.